Scott Chepp with Western Maryland Master Gardener. This is just some regular potatoes I bought from the supermarket that were rotting. I think there's two in this hill, and you can see they were decomposing, and I just made a hill here at my gate just to see what would happen. And they had spoiled because of just the poor quality of way the grocery store handles these potatoes. Some of the grocery stores do a better job than others, but certainly this grocery store the potatoes only lasted probably 5 or 6 days before they were softened. But I just took them, planted them, and I think I'll do just fine. That's a heck of a lot of plant off of 2 potatoes I cut in half, or four halves. Anyway, Scott Chepp with Western Maryland Master Gardener. Have a great day, my friends. Thanks for subscribing.